everyone. Today, I Jasleen Kaur Anand, member of social media team, welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of Amrapali University. Today, we have with us Mrs. Anamika Yaduvanshi ma'am, who is a life coach for women and motivational speaker. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello,
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you so much. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, ma'am. Ma'am, you have a guest lecture in our college now. So, what's your experience? How you like the management and everything? How do you like? What's your opinion on it?
Wonderful. Actually, I when I came here, I did not know कि कैसा सेशन होने वाला है because I knew कि mixed group रहेगा. कुछ बच्चे HM के रहेंगे, कुछ बच्चे B.Ed के रहेंगे, कुछ बच्चे management institutes के रहेंगे. But I think all the youngsters, they gelled so well. The session went so well, and they participated so well. It was really wonderful, and I did not realize how the time flew.
Okay. So, the questions asked by students, was it related to the topic?
I think the questions asked by the students were, I think, everybody's problems. The questions asked were how to beat procrastination, how to stop overthinking, how to get up after you fail. And these are the problems, these are the issues that I think so many of youngsters and I would say regular adults are also facing these problems. And the questions were bang on.
So, ma'am, what you want to say about procrastination and what we have nowadays issues regarding self doubts and many things, self esteem we talked about. So, what are your opinions around it?
I think self doubt is one subject that all of us should study and should read about because all of us are struggling with this. We often doubt ourselves and we are confident in our neighbor or confident in a competitor, confident in our friends. Okay, that person can do it, this person is good, that person is nice. We often do not realize that we are also equally nice. We just need to be aware. So self doubt ke upar, I would say that everybody is struggling with it, and the more we talk about it, the more we are addressing it.
And now, time management. This is a crucial topic, work life balance and time management. How the youngsters can bring it in their lifestyle.
Yeah, I did not touch time management in my talk today because I already knew that I'm going to address a lot of other things. So, time management is again another skill. If we work on the mental things first, time management is a skill, it's an art, it's a conscious thing जो हमें करनी है. So that way, that's why I did not attend or I did not address this topic, time management, but it's extremely crucial because time is the only resource that you cannot earn back. You can earn back your money, you can earn back the assets that you lose, but you can never earn back time. So time management is crucial for success, is an important skill that all of us should learn definitely.
According to you, what are the skills we should have as youngsters, as teenagers? What are the skills and abilities? We talked about ability in your session. So, what are the abilities we should possess in ourselves?
First of all, I would say the first ability that the students should have is reflection. They should reflect on what is it that they're doing, what is it that they went wrong, what is it that they could have done better. This reflection is always an eye opener. They can help them understand a lot of things. It can help them, be more aware about themselves. So self reflection is the first thing that is a must skill. Second, I would say is time management, like you were talking, because time, they think they've got ample of time and they can waste it and it doesn't matter, but the hour that you waste is the hour that you cannot earn back. So time management skill is again crucial. Third, I would say it's very important to get into a habit of reading because the more you read, the more you grow. Reading is something that students avoid or they don't want to learn or they think it's boring, but if you pick this habit early, then you are wise all your life. That's important.
Okay, so ma'am, last question, that counseling sessions we have in our college. So, and we have in our college in Amrapali University, we have counseling cells also. So, according to you, these are being helpful for the students?
Yes, absolutely. Because as a student, there's a lot that is going on in the mind of a student. It is like you said, self-doubt. It is comparison. It is pressure. It is fear of the future. What is it that's going to happen? And again, it's like a fight that one is going with his self or herself, himself or herself. That yeah, ye it's not going to happen, ho nahi raha hai, I'm so scared, all those things are there. So counseling gives you a platform to understand, to reflect, to interact, to to communicate, and to put all the things, to address all the things that are troubling you and not keep them under the carpet. So counseling cells are really important, and they're playing a crucial role in the growth of the youngsters, I would say.
Thank you, ma'am. So, what last you want to conclude for our
I
audience?
would conclude for the audiences like, keep learning, keep attending sessions, keep keep your mind open, and don't think that things are going to change after one session. In one session, there's a small dent that has happened in
Yeah.
your brain. So keep giving those dents in your brain, so one day you learn the lesson that you are meant to learn, and you are able to grab the thing that, okay, fine, this is what it is. So keep making these dents, keep attending sessions, keep reading, keep learning, keep your eyes and ears open, and don't expect things overnight. Just keep going ahead.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you everyone for watching us. Stay tuned for further updates.